both purpose and focus. Designed as an all-in-one workplace that integrates note-taking, project management, task lists, databases, wikis, and more, it's a versatile tool suitable for both personal and collaborative use, emphasizing flexibility and customization. Obsidian, primarily a note-taking apps, focus on the concept of personal knowledge base using the Zettelkasten method. It emphasizes interconnectedness between nodes and fostering meaningful connections between ideas. User interface and experience. Notion offers a friendly interface with a block-based editor that allows users to create and organize in various formats: text, tables, files, databases, etc. It provides visual and intuitive environment. Obsidian uses a markdown-based editor, which might have a steeper learning curve for beginners. It emphasizes plain text editing and focuses on creating network of interconnected nodes. Flexibility and customization. Notion, highly customizable with various templates, databases, and page layouts. Users can create complex structures, databases, and workflows to suit their specific needs. Obsidian offers customization for plugins, themes, allowing users to personalize their note-taking experience. It emphasizes the freedom to structure and link notes without getting rigid templates. Interlinking and Connections. Notion allows for internal linking between pages and databases, but the linking system might not emphasize bidirectional linking or the Zettelkasten method as much as Obsidian. Obsidian focuses heavily on bidirectional linking, allowing users to create connections between nodes easily. It emphasizes building a network of interconnected ideas to foster a deeper understanding of concepts. Collaboration and team use. Notion designed for both personal and collaborative use, with features for team collaboration, task management, and sharing of content. It's suitable for teams working together on projects. Obsidian is primarily built for individual use and personal knowledge management. It lacks built-in collaboration features and is more focused on the individual note-taking. Platform and accessibility. Notion offers web, desktop, and mobile apps, allowing users to create and access and edit their content across all different devices seamlessly. Obsidian currently is a primarily a desktop app, Windows, macOS, Linux, and relies on local storage or third-party syncing services for cross-device access. Pricing. Notion has a freemium model with a limited free time plan and a paid subscription for additional features, increased storage, and collaboration tools. Obsidian offers a free core app with basic functionalities. Some advanced features may require a paid subscription to support ongoing development.